I'm Sofia, and welcome to Learn Crypto's Extra Learning video series. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing in the crypto world, Ethereum. You've probably heard about it, but why do so many people believe Ethereum is the future of cryptocurrency? Let's find out. Ethereum, often called the world computer, is a decentralized platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized applications, or dApps, to be built and run without any central authority. Think of it as a supercharged version of Bitcoin. This unique feature is what makes Ethereum stand out. Unlike Bitcoin, which primarily serves as a digital gold and store of value, Ethereum is more versatile. Smart contracts are a big part of what makes Ethereum such a functional cryptocurrency. They are self-executing agreements with the terms of the contract directly written into code. They automatically execute when specific conditions are met, eliminating the need for intermediaries in various industries like finance, real estate, and supply chain management. Ethereum also powers a wide range of decentralized applications or dApps. These include everything from decentralized finance or DeFi, platforms like Uniswap, to virtual worlds like Decentraland and even collectible games like CryptoKitties. Another reason people are bullish on Ethereum is its commitment to continuous improvement. Ethereum has transitioned from a proof-of-work to a proof-of-stake translation model, in an effort to make it more environmentally friendly and scalable. Ethereum 2.0, also known as ETH 2.0 or Serenity, is an upgrade that aims to increase transaction speed, reduce fees, and make Ethereum even more secure and sustainable. This upgrade was completed in 2022 after a highly anticipated build-up that had the crypto community buzzing with excitement. Ethereum's robust ecosystem has also led to a great rise of interest in DeFi, where users can lend, borrow, and trade assets without traditional banks. This financial freedom has attracted millions of users and billions of dollars in investments. And how can we forget about NFTs? Non-fungible tokens, powered by Ethereum, have taken the art and entertainment world by storm, allowing artists to tokenize their work and sell it as unique digital assets. Ethereum's adoption is growing rapidly, with major corporations and institutions exploring its potential. This institutional interest is a strong indicator that Ethereum is here to stay. However, Ethereum faces its fair share of challenges, including scalability issues, gas fees, and competition from other blockchains. These hurdles are being actively addressed by the Ethereum community. So why do people think Ethereum is the future of cryptocurrency? It's because of its versatility. Smart contracts, dApps, upgrades like Ethereum 2.0, the rise of DeFi and NFTs, growing adoption, and the commitment of its community to overcome challenges. What are your thoughts on Ethereum's future? Are you bullish on it, or do you have concerns? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from our crypto community. And that's all for today, folks. Thanks for joining us in this journey through the world of Ethereum. Head to the Learn Crypto Academy and take the Getting to Know Cryptocurrency, a beginner's guide course to learn more. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Learn Crypto for more educational content like this.